Global building materials buyers converge in Guangzhou for Canton Fair. Lightweight block full-line equipment original manufacturer. Guangzhou Hengde Construction Technology. We sincerely invite you to visit the site in person. We specialize in lightweight block wall panel production line. From raw material testing, site planning, installation and commissioning, to training and after-sales service, full process service. One-stop solution for factory construction needs. Equipment exported to more than 30 countries. The cutting precision can reach plus or minus 1 millimeter. Supports a daily output of 50400 cubic meters. The production line is compatible with various materials. High efficiency, low consumption, fast cost recovery. Only 1 hour away from the Canton Fair complex. You can watch the equipment operation at the factory site. Demonstration of the automated process for product samples. Hengde helps you set up a factory easily. Stable production. Welcome global customers to visit and negotiate.